All set now, ready to race. Race number 8. Gates open, that up and racing. Lovely Beat draws for your lead. Moving up is Eternal Flame, the top favorite to take the lead. Then comes Knockout Babe, followed by Senor Cricket, Mr. Integrity, Freedom Charger, and Bagong Silang is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900, Eternal Flame in front by 2, followed by Knockout Babe. Moving up on the outside, Lovely with Mr. Integrity and Senor Cricket. Past the half-mile pole, Eternal Flame continues to be the leader, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Knockout Babe running between runners, and on the outside is Lovely with Mr. Integrity is down in 4th. As they swing to the last 600, it's still Eternal Flame by about 3 lengths. Lovely Babe moving up on the outside, running in between runners. Knockout Babe, Mr. Integrity, Senor Cricket. As they swing for home, it's still Eternal Flame leading the field by the rail. Mr. Integrity, Knockout Babe, Lovely Babe. With the last 200 meters more to run from start till end, it's still entry number 3, Eternal Flame by about 5 lengths. And finally, Eternal Flame, Mr. Integrity, Knockout Babe, Lovely Babe, Bagong Silang, Senor Cricket, and Freedom Charger comes in last.